Hello everyone, welcome to premiermath. These 25 questions are asked in CGL exam. Please do watch the video because these questions can be repeated in the coming days. Find the average of square of first 45 consecutive natural numbers. Here average of square of n numbers is equal to n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now average of 45 squares is equal to 46 into 45 into 2 is 90. So 91 divided by 6. 2 goes 3 times in 6. 2 goes 23 times in 46. Now 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 9 27 plus 2 29. 2 into 9 plus 2 20 divided by 3. 3 goes 6 times in 20. 3 goes 9 times in 29. 3 goes 7 times in 23. Remaining 2. So 3 goes 6 times in 20. Option A is your answer, 697.6. If the length of common internal tangent to two circles is 7 and that of common external tangent is 11, then the product of radii of two circles is. Here, use the transverse tangent and common tangent formula. That is, here, common tangent is equal to 11. So, 11 square is equal to d square minus r1 minus r2 the whole square. And transverse tangent is equal to 7. So 7 square is equal to d square minus r1 plus r2 the whole square. Now if you take the subtraction, 11 square minus 7 square is 121 minus 49. Now in right hand side you have d square and d square cancel. Here minus of. If you take inside r1 square plus r2 square minus 2 r1 r2. Now minus of minus will become plus. Remaining is equal to 4 r1 r2 is equal to 121 minus 49. So 120 minus 50 is equal to 70. So this will become 72. Now 4 goes 18 times in 72. Option B is your answer. Find the length of transverse common tangent of two circles with radius 3 and 7 cm whose centers are 24 cm apart. Here, length of transverse tangent formula is equal to root of d square minus r1 plus r2 the whole square. Now, length is equal to root of d square is equal to 24 square minus r1 plus r2 is 10. So, 24 square is equal to 576. 576 minus 100 is equal to 476. So, root of 476 is around 21 square is 441. So, this is around 21 point something. So, option 1 is your answer. Simple interest on a certain sum is 1/5 of the sum and the interest rate percentage is 5 times the number of years. If the rate of interest increases by 3%, then what will be the simple interest for rupees 5,000 for 6 years? Now, 1/5 means 20%. That is, here simple interest generated is 20% of the sum. Now, here rate is equal to 5 times the number of years. That is, this simple interest 20% generated in t years at r rate percentage. Now, substitute the value of r as 5t here. So, r is equal to 5t means this is equal to 5t square. That is, t square is equal to 20 by 5, 4%. Means t is equal to 2%. If t is 2%, rate is equal to 5 into 2%, that is 10%. Now, rate increases by 3%, which means new rate is equal to 13%. Now, we need simple interest for 6 years for 5,000 rupees. Simple interest for 6 years is equal to 13 into 6, which is 78%. Now we need 78% of 5,000. Percentage and 00 cancel. 78 into 5 is equal to 3,900. Option A is your answer. Find the value of k for which the following pair of equation has no solution. Here we have x and y, here also we have x and y. That is, this is in the form of x plus by is equal to c. This is also x plus by is equal to c. To have no solution, a1 by a2 should be equal to B1 by B2 which should not be equal to C1 by C2. That is, this is no solution. Actually, you don't have to consider this. Just take coefficient of ratio of x and y. That is, here ratio of coefficient of x should be equal to ratio of coefficient of y. That is, from equation 1, coefficient of x is 1. And from equation 2, coefficient of x is k minus 1. This should be equal to, here coefficient of y is from this equation is equal to 2. From equation 2, coefficient of y is k plus 1. That is, ratio of coefficient of x should be equal to ratio of coefficient of y. Now, k plus 1 is equal to 2k minus 2. So, 2k minus k is equal to k. So, k is equal to 3. Option A is your answer. The marked price of a product is ₹1,000. If it is sold at 7% discount and dealer earns 50% profit, then what is the cost price of the product? Here always remember cost price by marked price ratio is equal to 100 minus discount by 100 plus profit. Now if MP by CP, this will become 100 plus P by 100 minus discount. Now here we have to find out what is cost price. So CP by mark price is 1000, which is equal to, here discount is 7%. So 100 minus 7 is 93 and here profit is 50. So 100 plus P 150. Now 0 cancel, 15 goes 6 times in 90, remaining 3. So 15 goes 2 times in 30. 6.2 into 100 is equal to 620. So CP is equal to 620. Option C is your answer. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 hours and 10 hours and pipe C can empty in 12 hours. Pipes A and B was opened at 6 am and C opened at 9 am. When will the tank be full? Here A and B are filling pipe and C is an emptying pipe. So A can fill it in 15 hours, B can fill it in 10 hours and C can empty it in 12 hours. Now take the LCM. LCM is 60 means total tank capacity is 60 liter. 15 goes 4 times in 60, 10 goes 6 times in 60, 12 goes 5 times in 60. That is, A can fill 4 liter per hour, B can fill 6 liter per hour and C can empty 5 liter per hour. Now A and B opened at 6 am and C opened at 9 am. Difference is 3 hours. That is, in 3 hours A and B worked. So in 1 hour A and B can fill 6 plus 4, 10 liter. So in 3 hours, 3 into 10, 30 liter. So remaining work is equal to 30 liter. So this should be filled by A, B and C. Here in 1 hour, A and B fill 10 liter, but C empty 5 liter. So in 1 hour total filling is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 5, that is 5 liter. So total time taken is 30 by 5, 6 hours. 6 hours means 9 plus 6 is equal to 3 p.m. That is, A, B and C started walking at 9 am. So in 9 plus 6 hours, that is at 3 p.m, all these three filled the tank. Option D is your answer. One man adds 5 liters of water and 15 liters of milk and another man adds 6 liters of water and 12 liters of milk. What is the ratio of strength of milk in the two mixtures? Here, water to milk ratio in first is equal to 5 liter water added to 15 liter milk. In second, 6 liter water added to 12 liter milk. Now take the ratio. 5 goes 3 times in 15, 6 goes 2 times in 12. That is 1:3 and 1:2. Now milk ratio in 2 is equal to 3 part out of total 3 plus 1, 4 part and 2 part out of total 2 plus 1, 3 part. Now ratio is equal to 9:8. 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 8. Option A is your answer. Speed of a boat in standing water is 9 km per hour and speed of the strum is 1.5 km per hour. A man rows to a place at a distance of 105 km and comes back to the starting point. The total time taken by him is. Total time means downstream time plus upstream time. Here we need downstream speed and upstream speed for that. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 105 and speed is downstream speed, that is 9 plus 1.5, which is 10.5. Now we need upstream time, that is distance 105 by upstream speed is equal to 9 minus 1.5. which is 7.5. Now 10.5 goes 10 times in 105, and if I multiply this with 2, I should multiply here also. So 15 goes 7 times in 105. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So total time taken is 24 hours. Option D is your answer. A rectangular sheet of length 22 cm and width 11 cm is revolved along its width and a cylinder is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. Here this is the rectangular sheet with width 11 cm and length 22 cm. Now this is revolved around its width, means the cylinder formed circumference will be 11. That is, circumference is 2 pi r. This is the cylinder and this is revolved around its width, means circumference is 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 11. Now 11 goes 2 times in 22. So r is equal to 7 by 4. Now if r is 7 by 4, volume is equal to pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 7 square by 4 square into height is 22 here. This is the height. Because this is revolved around its width, means height is equal to 22. Now volume is equal to 7 and 7 cancel. 22 into 22 is equal to 484. 484 into 7 by 16. Now this is around 4 goes 4 times in 16. 4 goes 121 time in 484. So 121 into 7 by 4. This is around 3 into 7, 210. This is around 210. So take the approximate value and check the options. Find the angle of sector corresponding to area 154 cm square and circumference 132 cm. And here area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Now from this we can find angle sector. That is, area is 154, which is equal to theta by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 21 square. Now 11 goes 2 times in 22, 11 goes 14 times in 154, 2 goes 7 times in 14, 7 goes 3 times in 21, 7 goes 3 times in 21. Now 9 goes 40 times in 360, which means theta is equal to 40 degree. So option A is your answer. The area of square is 16x square plus 40x plus 25. What is the perimeter of the square? Here 16x square 40x plus 25, I can write it as 4x into 4x is equal to 16x square. Now 5 into 5 is 25. Now 4x into 5 is 20x. Here 5 into 4x is 20x. So 20x plus 20x is equal to 40x. So equation satisfied. Which means A here is equal to 4x plus 5. Because area of square is equal to A square. Now perimeter of square is equal to 4A. So multiply 4 with 4x plus 5. So which is equal to 16x plus 5 into 4, 20. Here option A is your answer. 2 into 8, 16x plus 2 into 10, 20. In an election between two candidates, 85% of the voters cast their vote. 4% of the votes were declared invalid. A candidate got 6936 votes, which were 85% of the valid vote. Find the total number of voters enrolled in that election. Consider 100 part as the 100% or 100 part as the total number of voters. Now, out of this 100 part, only 85% of them voted. That is 85 part voted, remaining 15 part not voted. And here 4% of the votes were declared invalid. That is, out of this 85 part, 4% vote were invalid. For 4% of 85 part is equal to 10% is 8.5. 1% is 0.85. So 4% is 0.85 into 4. Multiply 85 with 85 with 4. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 8, 32 plus 2, 34. That is 0.85 means 3.4 part. So this will become 3.4 part. Now remaining is equal to 85 minus 3 is equal to 82. 82 minus 0.4 is equal to 81.6. So, total valid vote is equal to 81.6 part. That is, here out of this 85 part, 4% is declared invalid, which means remaining is equal to, remaining 96% is this 81.6 part, which is total valid vote. Now, question clearly says 85% of the valid vote is equal to 6936. That is, 85% of total valid vote is equal to 81.6 part, which is equal to 6936. Then we have to find out what is 100 part. Here 5 goes 20 times in 100, 5 goes 17 times in 85. Now if I divide 81.6 with 20, 2 goes 4 times in 8, 2 goes 8 times in 16. Now here 0.6, here divided by 10. So 4.08. This is equal to 4.08. Now 17 goes 4 times in 68, remaining 1. 13 by 17 is equal to 0. So 136 by 17. End digit is 6. Here it is 7. 7 into 8 is equal to, that is 17 into 8 is equal to 136. So 17 goes 8 times in 136. Now you can see here 4.08 goes 100 times in 408. That is 1 part is equal to 100. Which means 100 part is equal to 100 into 100. That is 10 raised to 4. Option C is your answer. If 5 sin square theta plus 7 cos square theta minus 6 is equal to 0, then the value of 1 plus root sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta is. Here 5 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta is equal to 5. Remaining is 2 cos square theta minus 6, which is equal to 0. Now 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 means cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Which means theta is equal to 45 degree. And here to find this term, multiply denominator, you have sec theta minus tan theta. So multiply it with sec theta plus tan theta. Now denominator will become sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is 1. Now you should multiply sec theta plus tan theta in the numerator as well. Now root of sec theta plus tan theta, the whole square will become sec theta plus tan theta. That is, this whole root will become sec theta plus tan theta. So outside you have 1. So 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta is equal to tan 45, which is 1. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Then sec 45 is equal to root 2. That is, this is equal to 2 plus root 2. Option A is your answer. Triangle PQR congruent to triangle STU. Then find x plus y. Here congruent triangle means all the three sides and angles are equal. So here PQR congruent to STU. Write the same order. Write in the same order. PQR STU. Now here we need x plus y. So here angle STU is equal to 3x plus 2y. STU means this angle, which is equal to 3x plus 2y. And here ST is equal to x minus 2y. So this length is equal to x minus 2y. Now find the corresponding side in triangle PQR. Here angle STU corresponding side in PQR is equal to angle PQR, which is 52 degree, which means 3x plus 2y is equal to 52 degree. And here PQ is equal to 32. So x minus 2y is equal to 32 because this side is 32. Now x minus 2y is 32. Here 3x plus x is equal to 4x. 4x is equal to 52 plus 32, that is 84. So x is equal to 21. If x is equal to 21, then x minus 2y is equal to 32 means 21 minus 2y is equal to 32. So here 2y is equal to 21 minus 32, that is minus 11. Then y is equal to minus 5.5. Then from this x plus y is equal to 21 plus minus 5.5. That is 21 minus 5.5, which is 21 minus 5 is 16. 16 minus 0.5 is 15.5. So option B is your answer. Here, if a 6-digit number 6384xy is divisible by both 8 and 5, then the greatest possible values of x and y respectively are. Here, if a number is divisible by 8, its last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. That is, here 4xy should be divisible by 8 means, here if I put 20 in place of xy, you can see this is not divisible by 20 is not divisible by 8. 8 goes 5 times in 40. Remaining 20 is not divisible by 8. Same way 40, it is divisible by 8. So option B is your answer. Here 25 and 65 are not divisible by 8. So here x and y is equal to 4 and 0. Ram makes a profit of 20% on selling a table at 10% discount on market price. Find the ratio of market price to cost price of the table. Here market price and cost price ratio is equal to 100 plus profit divided by 100 minus discount. Here this is equal to 100 plus 20, 120, 100 minus 10, 90. 0, 0 cancel, 3 goes 3 times in 9, 3 goes 4 times in 12. So 4 is to 3, option A is your answer. Here to remember this formula, when someone gives you discount, to find the cost price, you have to subtract the discount from 100. So always remember that. A shopkeeper gives 3 successive discount, 10%, 20% and 30%. Calculate the net discount percentage. Here use the successive discount formula. That is, first use 10 and 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 minus 10 into 20 is 200 divided by 100. So this will become 30 minus 2, 28. So 10 and 20 net discount is 28%. Now use 28 and 30. 28 plus 30 is equal to 58. 58 minus 28 into 30 divided by 100 is equal to 3 into 8, 24. 3 into 2 plus 2, 8. So 840 by 100 is equal to 8.4. So 58 minus 8.4 is equal to 49.6. Option B is your answer. Here solve the following. If you look at this, 22 plus 68 is 90, 75 plus 15 is 90. So here whenever theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90, you can take sine 90 minus theta as cos theta, and here cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Now apply this. That is, here sin 22, I can write it as sin 90 minus 22, that is cos 68, divided by 5 cos 68, plus 2 into cot 75, I can write it as cot 90 minus 75, that is tan 15, divided by 5 tan 15. Now you can see 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1. So option A is your answer. Here find the value of A. Solve the division first, then multiplication. 48 by 24 is 2, 18 by 3 is 6, 4 into A is 4A. So this will become 6 minus 11 plus 4A minus 2 is equal to 1. Now 4A is equal to 6 minus 13 is equal to minus 7. So 1 plus 7 is 4A. So 4A is equal to 8 means A is equal to 2. Option A is your answer. If 4x square minus y square minus 3xy is equal to 76 and x square minus y square is equal to 28, then what is the value of x plus y by x minus y? Here I can write this first equation as 4x into x is equal to 4x square, and here this is minus y square. So I'll write plus y and minus y. So this will become minus y square, and here you can see 4x minus 4xy plus xy is equal to minus 3xy. So equation satisfied. Now remaining is x square minus y square is equal to 28. That is x plus y into x minus y is equal to 28. Now if you divide equation 1 with equation 2, x minus y and x minus y cancel. That is 4x plus y divided by x plus y is equal to 76 by 28. 4 goes 7 times in 28. 4 goes 19 times in 76. Now take the difference. That is 4x plus y minus x plus y is equal to 3x. Here take the difference in RHS as well. 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. That is 3x is equal to 12 means x is equal to 4. So we got x as 4. If x is 4, here x plus y is equal to 7. That is y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. Now x plus y by x minus y will become 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 3, that is 7. Option D is your answer. In the given graph, working time of school is how much percentage in a day? Here school is 6 hours. And total hours in a pie chart is equal to 24 hours. So you can directly take 6 by 24 into 100. 6 goes 4 times in 24, 4 goes 25 times in 100. So 25% option A is your answer. Here pie chart is given in hours and total hours in pie chart is 24 hours, which is total hours in a day. So you can directly take 6 by 24. Here, total number of workers whose daily wages are less than rupees 500 is what percentage more than total number of workers whose wages are 650 and above. Here this is 500 mark, so less than 500 is 30 plus 45, 75 in number. And here this is 650, so greater than 650 is 35 in number. So our question is 75 is what percentage more than 35? 75 is 40 more than 35. So percentage is into 100. 5 goes 7 times in 35, 5 goes 8 times in 45. 7 goes 1 time in 8, 7 goes 1 time in 10, 7 goes 4 times in 28. So this is 114. Option 4 is your answer. Here total number of people visiting Mall A on Monday, Tuesday, Friday and Sunday is what percentage of total number of people visiting Mall B on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Here green color shows Mall A and blue color shows Mall B. Now we need Mall A on Monday, Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. So which is equal to 1500 plus 700 is 2200. 2200 plus 840 is 3040. 3040 plus 560 is 3600. So which is equal to 3600. Now we need Mall B from Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, which is equal to Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, which is equal to 700 plus 750, 1450, 1450 plus 1350 is equal to 1500 plus 1300, 2800, 2800 plus 1100 is equal to 3900. Here our question is 3600 is what percentage of 3900. So if you take percentage, you can see here difference is 300. Now 10% of 3900 is 390, which is greater than 300, which means this is greater than 90% and nearer to 90%. So option 2 is your answer. The number of cars passing the road near a colony from 6 am to 12 noon has been shown in the following histogram. What is the maximum change percentage in the number of cars as compared to previous hour? Here x-axis shows time of the day and y-axis shows number of cars. If you want to take the maximum change in percentage, you have to find the maximum difference between these bars. Here 70 and 105 difference is 35 and this is increment. Here difference is less than 35, here also less than 35, here also less than 35. But here 95 to 45 difference is 50. So this is decrement. Now 35 into 2 is 70. That is, this is x at 50%. But here 50 into 2 is 100, which means this is greater than 50%. So this is decrement is your answer, but it should be nearer to 50 and greater than 50, which is option 1 as your answer.